Consider a cube with each side of length a. A point-like object with charge q is placed at one corner of the cube, which is shared by three faces. So that will be the bottom face, the right face, and the front face. What is the flux of the electric field emerging from exactly one of each of the other three square faces of the cube, being the faces that don't have the charge at one of their corners? So these would be either the top face, the left face, or the back face. So given the charge is not inside the cube, we can't apply Gauss's law directly, being the integral over a closed surface of the dot product between the electric field and the normal to the surface over the area of the surface is equal to the enclosed charge on the permittivity of free space. But we can change this problem to a form where we can apply Gauss's law. So for example, if we draw equally sized cubes as follows, so we have one cube on the side of this charge, and let's draw another cube for visualization at the bottom of the charge, and another cube on the side of the charge, and we'll have another 4 cubes at the front of the charge. So essentially, this charge will be inside a big cube, and the flux on every face of that big cube will be exactly the same, because the charge will be equally distant from all the faces. So essentially, we'll have 4 faces on the left side of the cube, 4 on the right, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, 4 at the front, and 4 at the back. So given these faces are equidistant from the charge, the flux through one of the faces is the charge on the number of faces, which is 24, by epsilon naught. So essentially, if we look at this cube in particular, the flux through the top face, the left face, and the back face, or the flux through one face, is q on 24 epsilon naught.